Winds of orange level, especially the gusts of up to 130 kilometres an hour, could cause additional damage to network which may be weakened during Storm Ophelia. What happens in the National Distribution Control Centre is that we have a real-time monitoring capability for all of our electrical network. So that means for our 700 high voltage substations and for our 3,000 pole mounted devices, we have a real-time view of what the status of the electricity network is. So anytime there is a windstorm or an event that causes a disconnection of electricity, we monitor it from that control centre. Obviously the big effort now is out in the local towns, communities and villages in Ireland to physically repair the network, which has been damaged predominantly by falling trees during Storm Ophelia. We're very hopeful at the minute that it's not going to significantly impact on our restoration efforts so far. There is a potential that it may require us to stop working on Saturday during the extreme high wind times because it won't be safe to work at height. We will continue during that period to work at ground level and to do whatever we can to make the situation better for all of those families.